Organic milk at farm level, by SS Engineer.
Milk is the most valuable nutritive food available for consumption of the people of all ages. By the consumption of milk and milk products, your diet benefit with calcium, proteins, vitamins, which helps in maintaining good health. This is about milk for health. Now think about its demand. Well, there is a huge demand for milk and milk products in India, and as well the whole world, organically processed and packaged.
Process of milk preserving and packaging.
SS Engineers and Consultants has designed 3 modules of milk processing for the farmers to choose based on their milk production capacities.
Organic milk.
In this module, the farmer after the milking will collect the milk in balanced tank through screen filter, then transfer the milk to refrigerated vat to cool it to 4 degrees Celsius. While cooling the milk immediately after milking, the bacterial growth will be retarded, and the milk remains fresh. The milk after cooling to 4 degrees Celsius is transferred to a float balance tank, which further takes it to a packaging machine to pack the milk in plastic pouches with batch date and time. The packaged milk is then stored in bottle cooler till it is sold out in the market. This plant is ideal for farmers producing 500 liters per day.
Organic milk plant layout. Milk cooling tank. Milk pump. Overhead float balance tank. Pouch packing machine. Flowchart. The milk obtained through cans is weighed on platform weigh scale, and a small amount of milk is taken for testing to check the percentage of fat off and SNF. Further, the milk is cooled down to +4 degrees Celsius in the bulk milk cooling unit. It takes around 3.5 hours to cool. After this, the milk is fed to overhead float balance tank and then to the packing machine. The pouches are stored in milk sachet cooler to maintain temp of milk at +4 degrees Celsius, and now the milk is ready to sell. SS Engineers and Consultants recommends all the milk farmers to get prepared and start setting up their milk processing plant for value-added product reserve store and increase their business with profits. We are here for collaborating with you to take this mission forward. We are open to any suggestion as well as sharing any vital information about mini milk processing plants with you. Thanks for watching. For more details, I request you to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.